Hey, it's John Newenberg with W5 Coaching and Certified Coaches Coach. Today, I'm going to help your clients improve their team productivity and profitability based on some work I've been doing with one of my clients. Hey, one of the 21 silver bullets on the Coach's Coach system is called the Lean Program How-To. This is an ongoing program for rallying your team around a commitment to eliminate wasted time, material, and movement so you can dramatically improve operational efficiencies, cut production costs, and compete more effectively. There are 7 keys to focus on when looking for ways to improve the supply chain. 1, overproduction. 2 is inventory. 3 is waiting time. 4 is defects. 5 is motion. 6 is transportation. 7 is processing. In my client's case, a CNC machine shop, we focused on number 3. By improving the way we coordinated with our customers, we've been able to increase the throughput in the plant. We're now building and delivering the correct parts to our customers just in time. Hey, the year-to-date results have been astonishing. Sales are up by 107%. The gross margin has gone up by 3.2 basis points, and profits have tripled. Yes, in fact, that's true. Profits have tripled. So, hey, if you want to learn more, go to mycoachescoach.com, sign up for the free 30-day trial, and check out the Lean Plan in Course 7. Or if you like, hey, reach out to me at www.timewithjohn.com to book an introductory call. Again, it's John Newenberg here, a certified coaches coach. If you've got questions or want to learn more, reach out so we can keep the conversation going.